Nature Walk, episode 3. Hey everyone, welcome back to Nature Walk.
Yee!
I'm with Holly and Larissa.
A special guest.
Time. We are at the duck pond. I know you guys voted on my Instagram, Blazer Lucas, to do the creek, but don't worry, I will go there in another episode.
Look, free soccer ball.
Yeah, these are some cool rocks.
Hey guys!
No!
Hello!
Hello,
Doc! Hello then.
There are a lot of Oregon grapes over here. Pacific Northwest, you know what I mean?
What?
Alright, there's a tunnel coming up. You know what we do in a tunnel, right?
What do we do in tunnels?
We have to yell, subscribe to Blazer Lucas.
Okay, I can do
You
that.
ready? 3,
Read.
2, 1. Subscribe to Blazer Lucas!
We probably just confuse a lot of people.
Yup. Okay, so we're going stick hunting right now because Holly wanted to know
What are you doing
if
with
it's
the stick, Holly?
if it's deep
Are you
enough.
gonna stab in the water?
Because we're thinking that this little pond over here, right next to me, is here. This one right here is deeper than it looks.
Your
So
knock screen's picture of your cat.
Ew, what the heck?
did it break your stick? Ah! Here.
That is why.
Oh.
Did you just eat the stick?
It stinks. Ew, I
Oh. That's absolutely
Wipe it on me!
disgusting. Ladies and gentlemen, the sub to Blazer Lucas Symphony. Okay,
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
one.
Subscribe to Blazer Lucas!
Yee.
Thank you for coming. This was an amazing show. Okay, everyone, that's gonna have to be a wrap for this episode. Remember, you can follow me on my Instagram at Blazer Lucas to see more channel updates and to just see what I'm up to when I'm not making YouTube videos. Apart from that, you can subscribe. You can leave a like on this video if you want to. Please subscribe. We need to get back to what we had on Blazer Lucas, our Blazer Variety. So thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.